Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to change the text color on any section on your Shopify store? That's exactly what I'm about to show you, and without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Sales Channel and click on Online Store so we can access the section where we can customize the theme. Next thing you're going to do is make sure you duplicate the theme. Click on the three dots here and duplicate the theme you are using. So do this on the duplicated theme. If you like the changes, click on Publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on Edit Theme, on the duplicated theme, and simply navigate to the page where it has the section where you want to change the text color. In my case, I think I will do demonstration on some of the pages. Let me do the contact, for example. After that, simply click on the section where you want to change the text. I want to change it on this contact, so I'm going to click on this section, and on the left page right here on the right, there is a custom CSS option. Click on it to be expanded, and in here simply type the CSS. I'm joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link. Click on it, will take you to these two lines of code in here. Use this icon to copy the code, get back in here, paste the code, and here it is. It became blue. To change the color, here it is. This one is a color. You can right click, search on Google, change the color, copy the code again, get back, and simply replace it, and voila. That's how you change the text color on any section in your Shopify store. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.